Now we will see what is a pre-existing disease in health insurance. A pre-existing disease is any illness, medical condition or health problem that you already had before buying your health insurance policy. It may be already diagnosed, you are taking medicine for it, you have symptoms of it, and you had treatment for it in the past. Now we will see the example. You buy a health insurance policy today, but before buying the policy, you already had diabetes. Then diabetes is a pre-existing disease for your policy. What are the common examples of pre-existing diseases? Diabetes, high blood pressure, asthma, thyroid, heart disease, and kidney problems. Any long-term illness you already have. Insurance companies ask about your past health issues because they need to calculate risk, decide the premium, apply a waiting period. This keeps the system fair for everyone. Now we will see waiting period for pre-existing disease. You cannot claim immediately for pre-existing disease. You must wait for certain time. Standard waiting period for pre-existing diseases is 2 to 4 years usually. After this period, your pre-existing disease becomes fully covered. What happens if you hide a pre-existing disease? This is very important. If you do not tell the truth, your claim can be rejected, delayed, policy cancelled. So always give correct medical details. Now we will see when does a disease become pre-existing. A disease is considered pre-existing if you had it before buying the policy or before policy start date. Even if you did not know the medical name but had symptoms and treatment, it can still be counted. What happens after waiting period is completed? After the waiting period, the insurance company covers the treatment, just like any other illness. Your policy becomes more powerful. Now we will see the real life example. You already have BP, which is high blood pressure. You buy a health insurance policy. Waiting period is 3 years. If you are hospitalized for BP related problems, then in year 1 it is not covered, in year 2 it is not covered, after year 3 it is covered. Some policies offer shorter waiting period, get covered sooner than the standard 2 to 4 years. Special plans that cover pre-existing diseases faster, designed specifically for people with existing conditions, but premium may be higher. Now we will see the summary. Pre-existing disease is the illness you already had before buying the insurance. It is not covered immediately. Waiting period is required. Declare it honestly. After the waiting period, it becomes covered.